You done?
Too much on your plate?
Are you done?
No matter when you get around to booking,
It's stuck in your
Hotels.com
mouth?
great last minute deal waiting for you. Like at the Hotels.com 48-hour sale this Tuesday and Wednesday only. Hotels.com. Be smart. Book
Yeah,
smart.
buddy. It's okay.
Don't you two know any other songs?
Take a Cheetos break with Cheetos.
I just want to get this on tape so the price you tell me here will be the same at the register.
But it will be the same.
You get that?
Yeah. No surprise pricing is one way we're different. And right now, buy one pair
Is
of
that honey
glasses,
bun
get another
good?
pair free. Pearl Vision, clearly different.
And here to take this car, the Operation Repo team is back. Back up right now, man. I'm not playing with you.
Oh, you just throw it when you're done?
Get hooked. It's a repossession, do you understand? This is the most explosive
Was it good?
season yet. Oh, it's real funny, huh? Operation Repo.
You mean you wipe your face on the chair? Dude, where is your manners?
Brought to you by Reebok Reflex. Natural movement. Perfected.
You're watching Actuality Afternoon on True TV. Brought to you by the General Automobile Insurance Services.
What is it, Max?
Jackson, Georgia. Major Mike Overby stops a car for having heavily tinted windows.
Do you need a napkin instead of
In
the
the state of
furniture?
Georgia, your window tint has to be above 33%. You're always apprehensive when you have a vehicle traffic stop and you can't see in the vehicle.
What you doing?
But dark windows become the least of his worries. The suspect
Here,
drops the pedal
want a cheese sandwich?
speeds onto the interstate.
Kisses? Kisses?
Major Overby
No
cuts
cheese?
to the inside shoulder and rockets ahead.